Freecash offer walls can stop loading because of browser issues, app problems, connection errors, or settings that prevent offers from displaying correctly. By the end, you'll know the main fixes for a Freecash offer wall that is not showing offers and the steps to check before contacting support. The first thing to check is your internet connection. Freecash offers need a stable connection to load correctly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then reopen the offer wall. The second step is refreshing your Freecash session. Close the app completely or close the browser tab, then sign back in. Temporary loading problems can sometimes be fixed by creating a new session. If you use the Freecash app, check for updates. Open your device's app store and install the latest version if one is available. An outdated app can cause features to display incorrectly. If you use a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Old stored website data can interfere with loading pages and offer sections. After clearing the data, log back into Freecash and check the offer wall again. Another common issue is account access. Make sure you are signed into the correct Freecash account and that your session has not expired. The offer wall may not display properly if the account connection is interrupted. The third section is checking device settings. Disable browser extensions, ad blockers, or privacy settings that may block tracking features. Offer walls often depend on tracking systems to display offers and record progress. Avoid testing the same offer on multiple devices or browsers at the same time. Use one device, one account, and one active session while troubleshooting. If the offer wall still does not load, collect details before reaching out to Freecash support. Take screenshots of the error. Note whether you are using the app or website, and describe what happens when you open the offer section. Clear information helps support understand whether the problem is related to your device, account, or the offer system. To summarize, a Freecash offer wall that is not loading can often be fixed by checking your connection, refreshing your account session, and removing settings that block website features. Your next step is to restart Freecash, update the app or clear browser data, and test the offer wall again. If this guide helped you fix the problem, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.